Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. One of my biggest struggles when it comes to packing is making sure that all of my toiletries and my cosmetics stay safe and organized. Well, MIRASON has solved that issue with this beautiful 3-piece set of their travel cosmetics bags. They are absolutely beautiful and such high quality pieces. I really love the colors of these bags and I appreciate the different sizes and functions that they have. They fit so many things so perfectly, and instead of having one big bulky makeup bag like I have been traveling with, this is so perfect. Organize all of your toiletries into what you need them for. So one for the shower, one for your makeup, one for your hair accessories. You can fit everything in these. So if you're looking to get some new travel cosmetic bags, then you should definitely consider getting this 3-piece set from MIRASON. I am so happy with them. I think they are beautiful and such good quality. I really am so happy with them, and I think you will be too. And that is my point of view.